Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to know to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So I've converted some of my Bitcoin into XRP because I think XRP going forward has more appreciation in it than Bitcoin. Really, really simple. So I know a lot of people are Bitcoin maxes and things like that, but I do try and find opportunity. I think potentially Bitcoin's coming to the end of its cycle right there. We've got 5 waves up, which I've always taught you increases the probability of a pullback. So I think, you know, with the clues that I'm looking at in the data so far, and in particular this retail top indicator that I create for yourselves on CoinSkid.com, it's a warning shot that we are, you know, extinguished here for Bitcoin. And at that point, we need to look at altcoins as the opportunity, and this is exactly what I'm doing with XRP right now. So we've got a warning shot here for the, you know, the Bitcoin bulls and the, you know, the bull market bulls, the people that think that, you know, this bull market's going to go on forever. We're getting a major warning shot right now that we're spiking down on the blue line below the, you know, the dotted rail, the red line, which is always indicated the top, basically, not necessarily the top in an instant, but it's always an indication. Okay, well, Bitcoin's running out of steam, and then at that point we need to look at altcoins and allocation from Bitcoin into altcoins, because that's where they run and flourish and catch Bitcoin cycle up, which is exactly what I'm looking at right now across the board with many altcoins, and especially XRP. So if we go back to like 2021, we'll take a look at this particular high. If you look at this is December 2017. It dipped below, and that was a warning shot that Bitcoin was beginning to look toppy and rolling over. So at this point, way back in 2017, we've seen XRP absolutely explode. So the warning shot was there, okay, in 2017. If we look at the next big impulse of Bitcoin that absolutely beautifully pumped towards April 2021, look at that. As this started to break out and come up and look toppy, what was happening? We were getting warning shots in the retail top indicator right there. So the warning shot were there, and at that point, this is where XRP had that nice little move to the upside, around about $1.97, which we traded like an absolute boss, and then it entered that big ABC correction with Bitcoin as well. So I think, you know, the stage is set basically. Right now we're looking at this. We're looking at this blue line telling us, okay, well, at this point right now, Bitcoin's breaking out. It's going, you know, insane. It's coming upstairs. Everyone's throwing into Bitcoin. But right now you should be looking at lagging altcoins, which is something I've been expressing to yourselves for many moons right now. So this is why I'm converting my Bitcoin into XRP. And obviously if it goes against me, it is what it is. But I've done incredibly well on Bitcoin. This is why at the moment, converting my Bitcoin into XRP, I've actually, you know, got as more XRP than I can even imagine than I could have bought with USDT basically. So what I'm looking at right now is the stage is set for the final stage in this bull market for Bitcoin to potentially have a correction, put in its final wave, and XRP absolutely go berserk. So let me dive into the XRP chart right now to see what we can see. Okay, so looking at XRP on the daily time frame at the moment, I think from this bottom here, this is a beautiful bottom. We've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setup. We've had an ABC zigzag correction, a complex wave 2, and right now this is your breaking bull. This is a 1, it's money flat 2, and right now it's your third wave coming up like this, which is going to break out. And like I've taught you with a Bitcoin chart, we've just recently traded a 3 of 3, which has broke out and made all-time highs. And this is what I'm looking at. Like I said to you in recent times, the wave that comes up and takes out these resistance points and confirms the bull from this point here will be a third wave, and this is exactly what I'm looking at right now. Some kind of 1, expanded flat wave 2. We're still making a higher high, high low structure, and right now we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setup, which is breaking bull. So the technical target at the moment is really simple. We've created an ascending triangle here where we've got this first point of resistance, we made a high low, second point of resistance, made a high low, and right now we're breaking on the third point of resistance with a technical target to 0.93897 here for XRP. So we're holding this support, looking to hold the support. If we have a throwback into the pattern, we need to hold this ascending trend line, because obviously it'll validate the pattern that's at play. But the technical target for me right now is 0.93897. This is why I'm locked in an XRP trade and not necessarily a Bitcoin trade right now, because I see more appreciation in XRP going forward. So I wish I hadn't most luck, but like I said to you, this will be a 1 into a 2. This next wave that comes up should be a third wave, and that's exactly the wave it's going to take that resistance out, and that local high that we're pulling in July. Okay, so my primary count at the moment is really simple. It's not changed. It's a 1 into a 2, and this is the third wave coming up that consists of 5 waves coming up, just like this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set up to new highs here for XRP into the resistance point of this local high that we put in April 2021 and the all-time high that we put in 2017. So I think there's a breakout here. I think this is what we're doing right now for XRP. This is why I'm locked into my XRP position over Bitcoin. Okay, so I wish I had most luck. Obviously going forward, the invalidation, really, really simple. If we roll back into this neckline and we lose this pivot low, and I relayed this to you yesterday, that's your stop loss for this particular trade going forward, because this is where an impulsive move has began after a potential expanded flat correction. 1, ABC2, and right now it's your third wave coming up, which has all the power to make all-time highs here for XRP going forward, okay? So the minimal target that we're in right now, providing we hold this pattern, which is ascending triangle, and we don't necessarily have a throwback, is 093897. I wish you the most luck in the world, okay? I'll keep you updated as best I can in the Discord right there in the videos. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye-bye.